What's up, guys? Tired of chasing green candles? Today, I'm teaching you how to make real money. We're deving a meme coin from scratch and do an instant rug pull. And I'll give you a clear path to that 7-figure market cap. It's the year of the dev. Don't get left behind. Let's dive in. Quick heads up before we dive in, make sure you stick around until the very end. I'm going to be dropping one sol at a random point in this video, and you do not want to miss it. Launching meme coins in 2026 has become so easy that being a crypto millionaire honestly isn't even impressive anymore. I made more than $1.6 million, as you can see, just launching meme coins, and I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. And this isn't to flex or anything like that. I'm just showing this so you can see that I know what I'm talking about. Today, I'm going to show you every step of launching a meme coin, the whole process. So how to get an idea for your meme coin, how to create a meme coin, how to create a liquidity pool, how to promote the meme coin, and of course the most important part, how to profit from a meme coin launch. So let's do it. The first step, getting the idea for the coin, is without a doubt the most important step in this whole process. If the idea is good, GG, you got buyers, you make a profit. If the idea is bad, well, you get no buyers, which means no profit. This is really obvious, right? But I feel like people don't really spend too much time on this step, and then every launch they do is a complete fail because they don't understand that people don't want to buy unfunny coins. Even though in this space people buy anything, you still need at least a funny or cute meme, or else nobody will waste money on your coin. So how can we get an idea that can go viral? There's multiple ways you can do this, but I selected the 3 I like the most. So the first method is using Dex Screener. So in this trending page, what you want to do is analyze the coins that are trending right now. Something very important to understand in the meme coin space is that even if 6 months ago, for example, a specific theme was trending and every coin was around that theme, that does not mean that if you launch a coin with that theme now, the coin will succeed, because things are always changing all the time. Sometimes even a theme that was trending last week could be dead now. That's why I really recommend only focusing on recent coins that are trending right now. You can even add a filter here to only show the most recent coins. So now look at the coins in here and use your imagination and think, is there any funny meme that is not here yet that follows the same theme? I'm going to give you an example. So right now, as I'm recording this video, there's a lot of animal coins right here. So I could create, for example, a coin called, let's say, this big. And then to create an image, I could use a tool like Canva or even ChatGPT to generate the image for me. So this is the first method, but I'm going to be 100% honest. I don't think you should use this. Because if you still don't have a lot of experience in creating meme coins, you don't really know for sure yet what works and what doesn't, right? And so I'd say this method is for when you have more experience in creating coins, but don't worry, because the next 2 methods are for people that have no experience in launching. So anyone can use them to start. So the second method is copying an existing trending coin. So what this means is you're going to look for coins that are trending but aren't really that big yet. So let's say 50, 100, or even $200,000 market cap, and you're gonna get the name, symbol, description, socials, and image from that coin, and you're simply gonna launch your own version of that coin. So basically, this way you have an idea that is proven to work, and all you have to do is launch the coin. Of course, you can also modify the coin a little bit if you want, but if you don't really know what to change, you can also just use all the details from the original coin. It's completely fine. So the way we can do this is by using a platform like Axiom, but it can be any platform that has this 3-section page. So it can be Photon, BullX, GMGN, any of those. Now what you want to do is go to this migrated section and make sure you don't have any filters on so you can see all the coins in here. Now choose any coin you like. So let's say this one, for example, it has a $115,000 market cap, and just copy the token address. Now go to explorer.solana.com, paste the address here, select this. So now in here, you have all the details about the coin, including the image. Right click the image, open the image in a new tab, and boom, you got the same image the original coin is using. So this method is great. It's way faster, and the chances of the coin failing because of the idea are way lower because you copied a coin that has already worked. So it can definitely work again. But even though this method is faster, it's definitely still annoying to get all the details in the image and all that. So this third method fixes that. You're still going to be copying a coin, but with just one click. What this means is you see a coin that you like, you click create, and boom, it's done. So to do this, I'm going to use Solana tokenlabs.io. Just go to the trending tokens page, and in here you have this list of trending coins, and all you're going to do is select the one that you like and click create token. This takes us to the next step, creating the Memecoin. So this is where most people get completely lost because there's so many options. There's Pump.Fun, Boop, Bonk, Launch Lab, the list goes on. Now, the issue with all of these platforms is that all of them control the liquidity of the coin, not you. So when you create a coin, you have no control over your own coin, and this limits a lot the amount of profit you can make. And so in my opinion, stay away from these platforms, not only because of this issue, but also because all of these platforms make it so easy to launch that there's hundreds of coins being launched per minute. Look at this. This is just insane. There's a very, very small chance your coin succeeds if you launch on here, so I don't really recommend it. So the other option is using Radium. Now, this platform fixes all the issues I just mentioned, so there's way less competition because it's a bit more complicated to launch. But with the tool I showed you, Solana tokenlabs.io, it really isn't super complicated. I'd say anyone can do it. Radium also fixes the issue with the liquidity, so you control the liquidity, you have full control over it. So in my opinion, Radium is a much better option. To launch manually for better understanding, I'm going to be using the Solana tokenlabs.io. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Eden and shortening it to Eden to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your Memecoin. I've already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Radium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing, ask if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 letters, it will take around 20 minutes to update on the site. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, just add PM or MO, like 2 letters in small caps. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. So the next step to make our coin tradable is creating a liquidity pool. Click create liquidity, which you see at the top of the website, and you'll be redirected to Radium. Make sure your wallet is connected, then click create. Select standard AMM from the pool options. Click the token selector, go back to Solana tokenlabs.io and copy your token address. Paste that address into Radium search box, add your token details. For this demo, I'm using Eden as the symbol and Eden as the name. Click add user token, then select it again. We'll supply 900 million tokens out of 1 billion total and pair it with Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can max out safely. Just subtract the 0.3 SOL fee first. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, review everything, and click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Once confirmed, your pool is live and the coin is tradable. But we're not done yet. Nobody knows about our coin yet. We still need to promote our Memecoin, or else we're not going to have many buyers. So to do this, there's multiple ways. The first one is using DEX screener ads. So basically your coin would show on the top of this list on DEX Screener. This is really good because not only do you get a bunch of eyeballs on your coin because there's millions of people using this site, but you also get credibility. Because when people see a coin in here, they trust it way more. But sadly, not everything is perfect with this method, because the main issue with this is that it's very expensive. The promotion costs $300, which if you're just starting out, it's not exactly cheap. But we have another way which is free, but it requires a bit more work. That way is promoting the coin on social media. So you can go on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, all of those, and simply post your coin there. It's not really the best way, but it works. Now, this can also be done automatically, which honestly, it's much better than manually posting the coin. To do that, we can use a tool like Pump.Fun. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. Pump.Fun gets you instant exposure on DEX Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Eden, select Radium, and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So time to wait and see what happens. I'll see you in a little bit.
3 hours later.
OMG, look at this $86,000 market cap, just absolutely wild. So this is what happens when you combine a battle-tested idea with a good promotion tool. People buy it because the idea is good, and the promotion makes your coin visible to thousands, maybe even millions of people. So yeah, it's insane. But now the most important step, how do we profit from this launch? Well, it's simple. Just go back to Radium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the portfolio button you'll find at the top. And there is your current position, profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $9,000 in official profits. Ignore everything except the soul's value. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive like 97 souls around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev Memecoins and make more money than anyone in 2026. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $9,000, which is like 97 souls. You guys can see here, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Want a free head start? I'm giving away 1 soul to help 10 person cover their first dev fees. To enter, first subscribe, second like this video, third comment, rug pull below. I'll announce the winner in 48 hours on my Telegram. Make sure you're following the Telegram or you won't be eligible to win. Don't miss out. I'm dropping bags in there all the time.